Today we have an excellent opportunity to tour the facilities of Omni Automation Technologies here in Cleveland. And I'm so glad to be here and have the opportunity to show their unique talents and how they differentiate themselves from other people in the automation arena. So, come on, let's travel along. You can see the facilities. And I always look when I pull into a parking lot, I always look to make sure that everything is clean, warm, and welcoming. So once we get inside, you will see robotics, dedicated automation, custom panel building, and an array of talents that separate them, differentiate them from the rest of the field. I want to introduce you to Nancy here at Omni Automation. She is the welcoming person, and from there we'll proceed around. You can see the conference room here. There's a high-level meeting going on, discussing some warehouse applications of robotics and conveyors. That's all I can tell you about that. And we'll keep going. And follow me down through, again, another shot. And we're going to go out into the shop. And this is where you'll see some of the applications that I alluded to earlier. This is a test bed for a robot, a conveyor, training session for some of the people here at Omni when they have to do installations out in the field. They could practice on this. And there's an array of different robots. Today there happens to be a universal robot. Tomorrow it could be a Fanuc robot, or probably a Fanuc robot, because that's their main robotic line. Over here we have some activity. This is the panel shop. So they got a rather large control panel. Off to the left you can see a palletizing robot. We'll continue on through the shop. You'll see some dedicated machinery. There's a robotic system that is scheduled to go somewhere. I'm not sure, but you can see 5-gallon bucket, and there's a filler that goes along with this. Some augers, feeding equipment. This is a dedicated line to make windows. Over there is a pretty heavy-duty piece of equipment that is used to shred tires, and one of my favorite things, which is recycling. So with that is the end of our tour, and I'm so glad I had this opportunity to introduce you to Omni Automation, and you can find them on YouTube as well. Thank you so much.